The TeraFlex JL 2.5 inch to 3.5 inch lift front track bar bracket corrects steering geometry by repositioning the axle center on JL Wranglers with 2.5 inch to 3.5 inch lift kits. The bracket bolts onto the front axle and eliminates bump steer and other front end issues that arise when lifting a Jeep. This bracket is included in all 3.5 inch lift kits, but is also available for individual purchase. Loosen, but do not remove, the bolt connecting the front track bar to the frame. Remove the bolt connecting the front sway bar link to the axle. Remove the bolt on the axle end of the front track bar and move the track bar out of the way. Temporarily set the TeraFlex JL front track bar bracket into position. Mark the center of the holes in both the front and the rear of the bracket. Remove the bracket and drill pilot holes at the marks. Because of the hardness and thickness of the axle bracket, drill in steps from the pilot hole up to a 1/2 inch. Once the holes are drilled, replace the TeraFlex JL front track bar bracket. Install the bolt in the rear of the bracket using one of the short bolts and the provided flag nut. Install the other short bolt in the front. Reinstall the sway bar link bolt. Final tighten all the installed hardware up to this point. Lower the vehicle to the ground before reinstalling the track bar using the provided hardware. The hole on the track bar bracket aligns with the hole on the track bar bushing. If the holes do not align, turn the steering wheel a little bit until they do. Final tighten the track bar hardware on both the axle end and the frame end.